Hello everybody, Michael Ibrahim at Ibrahim Law Office, US immigration attorney. Oftentimes, when I'm sitting with a client of mine who is a lawful permanent resident, or LPR, I ask myself, then I might ask them, why haven't you become a US citizen? More often than not, if somebody has been a lawful permanent resident for the requisite time period necessary to become a US citizen, it would behoove them to apply for US citizenship. Don't get me wrong, there are often times where it is in the client's best interest to remain a permanent resident. For example, if the individual spends more time in their home country than in the United States, if there are tax benefits to remaining a permanent resident, or if applying for US citizenship would jeopardize their own native citizenship. Furthermore, there might be times where filing for US citizenship would jeopardize the individual's residency. For instance, where the applicant might have a criminal history or an immigration history that would put their residency in peril during a citizenship application. In some unfortunate situations, the person might be permanently barred from receiving US citizenship. Generally, a permanent resident could naturalize or become a US citizen if they can show for the requisite time period that they have maintained continuous presence in the United States, that they have spent more time in the United States than abroad, that they've been a good person for that time period, that they understand English, and that they know enough about US history and civics to pass the naturalization exam during their interview. What drives me crazy as an immigration attorney is seeing the person that says they've continued to put off their citizenship application for years and years and possibly decades until it's too late. What breaks my heart as an immigration attorney is seeing permanent resident clients come to me wishing that they had applied for US citizenship earlier. Remember, permanent residents are still subjected to different rules and regulations than US citizens. For example, when traveling, permanent residents are subjected to different protocols when approaching a border patrol officer at the airport or at a land port. Furthermore, US citizens get certain perks that permanent residents do not, such as the right to vote or the ability to apply for certain types of jobs. Are you or a loved one considering becoming a US citizen? Contact us at Ibrahim Law Office for a consultation today.